Apple's Pro iPhones are known for their premium design, powerful hardware, and excellent build quality. Every year, millions of users choose the Pro models because they offer the best features Apple has available. However, after the launch of the iPhone 17 Pro series, some users noticed an unexpected issue that quickly became a hot topic online. According to reports shared by owners, certain iPhone 17 Pro devices appeared to experience subtle color changes over time. The issue did not affect every phone, but it generated plenty of discussion among Apple fans. When customers spend over $1,000 on a flagship smartphone, even a small cosmetic issue can attract a lot of attention. Now, a new leak suggests Apple may already have a solution ready for the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. Recent reports claim that Apple is developing a new aluminum manufacturing process for its next-generation Pro models. At first glance, this may not sound like an exciting upgrade compared to new cameras or faster processors. However, this change could help solve one of the most talked about durability concerns from the previous generation. According to the leak, Apple is refining how aluminum is processed during production. The new method reportedly uses lower temperatures and fewer electrochemical refinement stages. While the technical details may seem complicated, the goal is actually quite simple: create stronger aluminum that is more resistant to corrosion and long-term wear. Most importantly, this improved material could help prevent the color-changing issue that some users experience with the iPhone 17 Pro. For many smartphone buyers, design matters just as much as performance. People spend a lot of money choosing a specific color because they want their device to look exactly the way they imagined. Whether someone prefers a bold finish or a more professional appearance, they expect that color to remain consistent over time. This becomes even more important because rumors suggest Apple may introduce a brand new dark cherry color option for the iPhone 18 Pro lineup. If the leaks are accurate, this could become one of the most unique and attractive colors Apple has ever offered on a Pro model. Naturally, Apple would want to ensure that such a premium color remains stable throughout the life of the device. The company certainly wouldn't want users posting photos online, showing their expensive new dark cherry phones, fading or changing shades after only a few months of normal use. The benefits of the new manufacturing process may go beyond appearance. Reports suggest the improved aluminum alloy could also offer greater structural strength. That means better durability and potentially improved resistance to scratches, dents, and everyday wear. Another advantage could be manufacturing efficiency. According to the leak, the updated process allows aluminum to be used more effectively while reducing production costs. In addition, it may support Apple's broader environmental goal process. Over the last several years, Apple has placed a strong focus on sustainability. The company regularly highlights recycled materials, reduced carbon emissions, and environmentally friendly production methods during its launch events. If Apple spends significant time discussing sustainability during the iPhone 18 announcement, it could be another sign that these reports are accurate. Interestingly, previous rumors suggested Apple would continue using aluminum for the iPhone 18 Pro series because of its excellent heat management characteristics. However, those same rumors indicated that color durability concerns might remain. The latest report doesn't necessarily contradict those earlier claims. Instead, it suggests Apple is keeping aluminum as the primary material while significantly improving how it is produced. In other words, the material itself remains familiar, but the manufacturing process receives a major upgrade. Meanwhile, discussions surrounding the iPhone 17 Pro color issue continue across social media platforms and online forums. Some users claim they noticed visible changes in their device's finish over time. A few even reported replacing their phones because of the issue. Others took a lighter approach and joked that the color change made their phones feel unique. Some even joked that they wished their devices would magically transform into an entirely different color. Still, most customers buying a premium flagship smartphone expect the finish to remain exactly as advertised. Current owners who are concerned about potential changes, using a protective case remains the simplest solution. Since many people already use cases, any cosmetic change becomes much less noticeable. However, that isn't a perfect answer. If someone spends us a significant amount of money on a beautiful smartphone color, they probably want to enjoy looking at it every day rather than covering it up permanently. That's why solving this issue could be important for Apple. The iPhone 18 Pro is expected to bring powerful performance upgrades, improved cameras, new AI features, and fresh color options. Stronger and more color-stable materials would help ensure that the device looks just as premium after months of use as it did on day one. For now, everything remains based on leaks and rumors, and Apple has not officially confirmed any of these details. The company is expected to unveil the iPhone 18 lineup in September. We'll finally learn what's real and what's not. Until then, excitement continues to build around the rumored dark cherry finish and Apple's next-generation Pro models. If these reports prove accurate, the iPhone 18 Pro could not only be more powerful, but also more durable and visually consistent than its predecessor.